Today, I want to talk a little bit about fire insurance and how it could affect your home buying decision or selling your home. Let's talk about that right now. Welcome to Sacramento's #1 YouTube channel for all real estate news regarding Sacramento and the surrounding areas. So if that's you, hit that subscribe button and that bell will bring you bi-weekly content. We also go live every Wednesday at 5:30. So tune in, let's get going, and let's talk a little Sacramento right now. Okay, as fire season looms, I wanted to talk a little bit about fire insurance. This is something that's very, very important to people who are looking to either buy or sell their homes. Now I'm going to tell you a little reason why about selling their homes as well. Now here's the thing about fire insurance. Every single year, we're seeing premiums go up and up and up. And this is something that should really worry a lot of people who are buying in this area. Okay, so here are some of the facts. Number one is, even though there is a year moratorium on a cancellation of a fire insurance policy, it does not mean that they cannot raise your rate. Your premium can increase and usually does. So understand that even though they can't cancel your policy, they can basically increase the premium on it to a level where it's going to make you think about selling your home. That's number one. Every fire season, we've seen premiums go up and up and up. So don't expect to see a big drop happen. Fire season, all of a sudden your premium is going to increase. That's just the kind of way we've been seeing it happen these years. Chances are, if you live anywhere near the vicinity of a wildfire, next renewal period, your premium will probably go up as well. So don't just think because you don't live in the burn-scarred area or you're a little further away from it, your premiums aren't going to be affected. Normally, if you're anywhere close to the burn-scarred area of a fire, your premiums are going to be affected, and you're probably going to see this on next renewal. California Fair Plan, which tends to be the last resort for anyone looking for fire insurance, did report this year that they saw policies increase statewide over 15%. That's just this year alone. That's something to be kind of worried about if you're thinking about buying and you need fire insurance. Just keep that in mind if you're thinking about buying. And also, if you're thinking about selling, understand that the buyer is going to probably be buying your house, is probably going to be looking into fire insurance as well. This could hinder the price you're going to be selling your house at as well. Okay, guys, this hasn't been my favorite video I've ever done, but hopefully it gave you a little information about fire insurance. With all this stuff going on in the news, I'm sure you guys have kind of been thinking about it and asking yourselves, like, what exactly should I be doing? And like I said, I think reaching out to someone who's in insurance, like a farmer's broker, finding out exactly how much your premium would be on a certain address. For example, let's say your real estate agent finds you a house. All you need to do is call up your farmer's broker and say, hey, look, this is the address. What are we looking at for fire insurance there? Now, also another question you want to ask them is, like, in the last few years, has a premium actually increased? It's going to give you a little bit of an idea of where the premiums are headed to, and also what kind of danger zone you're kind of in when you're buying your house. The truth of the matter is a house, but that's where probably you're going to be, living with your family, and you need to know exactly where you're buying into. So fire insurance might seem like something that's like, right now, because it's in the news, it's like front and center. But 3 or 4 months down the road, we're going to be in winter time, and it's probably not going to be something that's the headline of the news. But you should definitely keep that in mind. It seems like every time school starts, we have some sort of fire hitting the Sacramento area, and it's something that's sending premiums sky high. I mean, there's some houses that aren't even insurable. So I don't mean to scare you, but I do think you should have complete transparency when you're thinking about buying your home. Like I said, a lot of people spend every last dollar trying to get into their home, and a premium that keeps increasing is just out of control. And imagine if you buy a house, you absolutely love your house, and then in a few years, you find out it's not insurable. These are facts that you should know about before you even make an offer on a house. I mean, basically, before you even go look at a house. And if you're someone who's looking to sell their house right now, you might want to check out exactly how fire insurance or the lack of ability to get fire insurance was going to affect your selling price as well for your house as well. So those are some facts, like I said, and this is just my final thoughts on it. It's sad about the devastation. And at this point, it's just something that, you need to learn a little bit about if you decide to buy a home. Fire insurance is something that if you're buying in the Sacramento area, if you're buying in El Dorado Hills, if you're buying in Placer County, this is just something that you should definitely know about, know the risks, know the costs. Until next time, guys, this is Mark. Like I said, this hasn't been my favorite video to do. Hopefully you took something away with this. And also, if this video right here made you pick up the phone to talk to your farmer's broker to find out about premium premiums, as far as the history of premiums and if you can get insured on your property, then I'm calling this one a win. Okay, guys, until next time, this is Mark. Guess what, guys? The video just ended. But don't worry, we have more videos just like that one right over there. And if you missed that red subscribe button during the course of the video, we got you covered right there. Hit that subscribe button. We promise to bring you some amazing content. We won't let you down. Now, if you're looking for a team in the Sacramento metro area to work with, we'd love to talk to you one-on-one. We always include a Zoom link down below, so book a time where we can talk to you a little one-on-one, find out exactly what your real estate needs are.